Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about efficient virtual learning setup. In an age where information is power, safeguarding and efficiently managing sensitive data is crucial for businesses of all sizes. The significance of virtual data room. Virtual data rooms are secure online platforms designed to facilitate the storage, management, and controlled sharing of sensitive documents and data. Originally created to address the challenges of traditional M&A diligence process, VDRs have evolved into versatile tools with a broad range of applications. Here are some of the key features that make VDRs invaluable. Data encryption. VDRs employ advanced encryption methods to protect data both at rest and in transit, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and secure. Access control. Administrators can configure granular access permissions, determining who can view, edit, download, or share documents within the VDR. Document organizations. VDRs provide efficient document management features, including folder structures, version control, and detailed audit trails for transparency. Global accessibility. Authorized users can access documents from anywhere with an internet connection, making VDRs ideal for secure global collaborations. Efficient virtual data room setup. Setting up a virtual data room efficiently involves a series of strategic steps that are crucial to achieving the desired results. Let's explore the best practices and considerations for an effective VDR setup. Define your objectives. Before selecting a video provider and initiating the setup process, it's essential to clearly define your objectives. Consider the specific needs of your organizations and intend use of the VDR. Whether you're engaging in M&A, fundraising, legal proceedings, or any other activity, understanding your goals will guide the setup process. Choose the right video provider. Selecting a reputable video provider is one of the most critical decisions in the setup process. Consider factors such as security features, user-friendliness, customer support, and pricing. Evaluate the provider's track record and reviews to ensure they meet your requirements. Establish user access and permissions. Determine who will have access to the video and the level of access each users or group users will have. Granular access is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data. Define roles and permissions for administrators, distributors, and reviewers. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.